Your blog intro. 1. Vehicle insurance is a crucial aspect of owning and operating a vehicle. Whether you have a car, motorcycle, or any other type of vehicle, having the right insurance coverage is essential for protecting yourself, your vehicle, and others on the road. In this blog post, we will dive deep into the world of vehicle insurance, exploring the different types of coverage available, the factors that affect insurance premiums, and tips for finding the best insurance policy that suits your needs and budget. Whether you are a new driver. 2. Vehicle insurance is a crucial aspect of responsible vehicle ownership. Whether you are a seasoned driver or a new car owner, having the right vehicle insurance is essential for protecting yourself and your vehicle from unforeseen circumstances. In this blog post, we will delve into the world of vehicle insurance, exploring its importance, different types of coverage, and key factors to consider when choosing the right insurance policy. Whether you are looking to renew your existing insurance or seeking. 3. Vehicle insurance is an essential aspect of owning a vehicle, providing protection and peace of mind in case of unforeseen accidents or damages. Whether you're a new car owner or have been driving for years, understanding the ins and outs of vehicle insurance is crucial for making informed decisions and ensuring your coverage adequately meets your needs. In this comprehensive blog post, we will delve into the world of vehicle insurance, examining different types of coverage, factors affecting premiums, and helpful tips for choosing the right insurance policy to safeguard your valuable asset. 4. Vehicle insurance is not just a legal requirement, but also a crucial investment to protect your valuable asset and provide financial security in case of any unforeseen incidents. Whether you are a new driver or an experienced one, understanding the ins and outs of vehicle insurance is essential. In this blog post, we will delve into the world of vehicle insurance, explaining its important types of coverage and tips for finding the best insurance policy that suits your needs and budget. Don't let the complexities of insurance